He is not courteous, nor is worth pleasing to him, nor does praising court or good report delight his whim. That man who says that giving is a heavy sin, the gift of jongleurs, whereby every worthy man is named and famed in many a good place by their art. For without giving we never saw great worth take part in any man, and God commanded, as I believe, that to every asker a man should give and do him good. No man knows if tomorrow he shall be alive, the poorest man in the world, nor the richest in his hive, or if he shall live so long that he becomes a broken thing and only lives unloved, a disgraced and hated king among his neighbors, standing in dishonor's ring. For sometimes the water that runs with force and spring over the bridge by the power that it holds within, then sinks so low that no boat passes there, nor man. And cruel to undergo, who lives so long upon this earth, so he is a fool who does not run to courtly deeds while he has leisure before his days are done. For once he is dead, that man to whom he leaves his wealth, for his friendship I do not think will do great good by. Who loved the wretched man, I say, more than herself or than anything that ever was always, and forgot her kinsmen and good friends and cast away her own advancement like a madman gone astray. She will take a husband at once with great joy and display, when he is dead her worst enemy in the light of day. Say that I am a slanderer and blame of wives and of wicked husbands and spread ill fame, or that I speak ill, or that I am jealous of the same, which I never was, but rather I oppose and aim, and all I can and harm them ever in my